A typical marginal cost function is U-shaped, like this. So eventually, marginal cost increase. Okay, why should be this case? This is because of law of diminishing return. Okay, what do I mean by law of diminishing return? Let's imagine that, suppose that I'm running a coffee shop. I only have one coffee machine in my shop, and I'm gonna add more and more workers into the shops. So eventually, I'm gonna reach a point where the marginal product, the actual output from the actual one more workers in the shop will decrease. Okay, and we call this uh, law of diminishing returns, or the marginal product of the worker will eventually decrease. And this is due to one important factor here is due to that I only have one coffee machines in my shops. So some inputs are fixed in the short run. Okay, why law of diminishing returns implies an increase in marginal cost? Okay, let's reason this way. First, to produce extra one, say, cup of coffee, suppose it's coffee shop, I will need extra inputs. Second, these extra inputs for example, like workers, coffee beans, milk, so on and so forth, are becoming less and less productive when we use more inputs, or the marginal product decrease. And this is law of diminishing returns. Okay. So these extra inputs are becoming less and less productive when we use more and more inputs. So eventually, this means that to produce extra one cups of coffee, we need more and more extra inputs, more and more additional inputs. And that's the same as saying the extra cost or marginal cost. Increase eventually. Okay, that's why this law of diminishing return is driving the marginal cost to be increasing eventually.